Good morning, everybody. Myself, Simranjit Kaur, class plus 2 medical from Government Smart Senior Secondary School, Mela. This is my project file on the subject biology. As you know, my biology teacher is Charandeep Sonia, and this project file on the topic DNA structure. And this is my acknowledgement. Primarily, I would thank God for being able to complete this project with success. Then I would like thanks to my biology teacher Mrs. Charandeep Sonia, whose valuable guidance has been the success. Her suggestions and her instructions has served as the major contributor towards the completion of the project. She gave me the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic DNA structure, which also helped me in doing a lot of research, and I come to know about so many things. I am making this project not only for marks but to also increase my knowledge. DNA structure includes introduction to DNA, rare and minor bases, nucleotides, polynucleotides, and double helix. Introduction to DNA. DNA is a polymer of deoxyribonucleotides. DNA is the chemical basis of heredity and may be regarded as the reverse bank of genetic material. It is exclusively responsible for maintaining the identity of different species of organism over millions of years. As per the Chargaff's rule, DNA has equal number of adenine and thymine residual and equal number of guanine and cytosine residues. Purine is a derivative of pyrimidine. It consists of pyrimidine ring and a 5-membered indazole ring, having nitrogen and 7 and 9 positions, which are fused together at 5 and 4 poles. There are two purine compounds, namely adenine and guanine. Rare and minor bases. In addition to the 4 common bases A, T, G, C, certain other unusual bases of purine and pyrimidine derivative called rare and minor bases occur in small amount in DNA of some organisms. In some viruses, uracil occurs in places of thymine in DNA. The T even phases contains 5 hydroxymethyl cytosine in place of cytosine. These modifications protect the viral DNA from degradation by the host cell endonuclease. Other rare bases in DNA are 5-methylcytosine, N-methyladenine, and 2-methylguanine, etc. These are deoxyguanosine, deoxythymidine, deoxycytosine, deoxycytosine. And the next one is nucleotide. A nucleotide is divided from a nucleoside by addition of a molecule of phosphoric acid. The phosphate molecule is linked with the sugar at carbon number 5 or at carbon number 3. The nucleotide in DNA are of 4 types: deoxysidylic acid, deoxythymidyllic acid, deoxydinylic acid, deoxyguanylic acid. Polynucleotide. A number of deoxyribonucleotides are covalently linked one to form a polynucleotide chain, that is deoxyribonucleotide monomer units, and united through the formation of phosphorodiester bonds. A diester bond is one which involves two ester bonds. Last one is double helix. Watson and Crick suggested that in a DNA molecule there are two such polynucleotide chains which are coiled about one another in a spiral. The two polynucleotide strands are held together in their helix configuration by hydrogen bonding between bases in opposite strands. The resulting bonding between bases in opposite strands, the resulting base pairs being stacked between the two chains perpendicular to the axis of the molecule, like the steps of a spiral staircase. The base pairing in specific, adenine is always paired with thymine and guanine is always paired with cytosine. Thus all base pairs consist of one purine and one pyrimidine. The two strands of DNA double helix are thus said to be complementary, that is not identical. The property, that is complementarity of the two strands, makes DNA uniquely suited to store and transmit genetic information. The base pairs in DNA are stacked. The chromosomes are made up of two types of macromolecules, proteins and nucleic acids. The nucleic acids are of two types, which is deoxyribonucleic acid DNA and ribonucleic acid RNA. DNA and RNA are chain-like macromolecules that function in the storage and transfer of genetic information. They are major components of all cells. DNA is found predominantly in the nucleus, while RNA is predominant is in cytoplasm. DNA is the genetic material of most organisms, including many viruses. Some viruses, however, have RNA as their genetic material. Deoxyribonucleic acid is found in the cells of living organisms except plant viruses. DNA is double-stranded, but in some cases like bacteriophage, the single-stranded DNA is found. I hope you like it. Thank you.